Usually a visitor, when they come to campus, ends up ringing through the buzzer at the front door. We let them in, and then they walk through the foyer to the front office. Currently, once you get buzzed into the building, the whole building is accessible to you. So you could end up going anywhere throughout the building if you didn't go directly to the office. Having the people come into the building and still be in an area that they would only be allowed to go into the main office. Overall, safety is nobody can go throughout the building that we don't know where they're going. There's one area that they come in to the main office and get greeted. You don't have anybody wondering where the main office is. It's the only place to go. One of the things is the just supervision issue of the kids in the cafeteria. We have to have them go out of the cafeteria and to one of the grade level bathrooms while they're at lunch. This way it would give us a boys and girls bathroom in the cafeteria. Currently we have 4 boys, 4 girls bathrooms that each have around 3 stalls per bathroom, and this would increase a bigger bathroom down by the cafeteria and possibly put another one up on the 3rd floor. So currently our track sits away from the parking lot, and our kids that are in wheelchairs have a tough time getting through all of the grass around fields in order to get to the track. This would give kind of a sidewalk for them to be able to get to the track, to be able to participate with the other kids in the class. We do have leaks up on the 3rd floor and also in the gym, to where if it's raining very hard, we'll set buckets, trash cans to catch some of the water coming in, especially to the gym, to make sure that it's not a slippery area on the gym floor while the kids are there. To give us a new roof for the gym and the whole top of the older part of the building to stop all of those leaks. We have kids coming to school before 7 o'clock, and it is very dark outside. We don't have much lighting, and so cars coming in, buses coming in while kids are walking to school, or any evening activities, it is difficult to see if you are not right next to the building. To get more lighting out in the parking areas, our drive coming up to the building, to have that better lit for the kids and the parents coming in.